Hello guys, today I will talk about why do we hiccup. Let's start. And if we drink and eat too fast, the, the, the muscle at the bottom of the chest is called the diaphragm. If we breathe in, it touches the diaphragm, then it goes up again, then it will bring a sticky noise called hiccups. Never mind. Then, what causes hiccup? Crying, laughing, sad, excited. You can be hiccuped by these things, like drinking and eating too fast, or you just like to drink hot water or cold water, so it will be a hiccup. In Dr. Binox, he will talk hiccups too, but I'm telling hiccups too. So let's start again. Then sometimes we can be like this, like hiccups, like animals. It's just like then if we drink and eat too fast, really fast, the food will come out of our mouth and fly into your head. Then you will be a hiccup too, not only the slower. Then you don't need to go to doctor. Drink some cold water and it will be better. Like me. When I hit, I didn't drink water, so I just hit and hit and hit, and it always sick. So one day I learned this on the TV Dr. Binox, and I know. So I tell you why your body rejects it, because of the diaphragm. If you breathe, but you are eating too fast and drinking too fast into the diaphragm, it will shoot up like a rocket, and you will that squeaky noise to make someone laugh with laughter. Or if you intention in a school, but you'll be like that, the crowd will be laughing. Buster!
Giống chị.
The